Pick up this great vehicle, which is available today. This could be the one you've been searching for. Contact the dealer today and get behind the wheel today. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, front license plate bracket. Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, cargo net, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Your new ride is just a phone call away.